Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to look at the JEET Play app, which is used to control the JEET Air Plus earbuds, which I reviewed in my last video. Be sure to check that out. I'll put a link in the description. This JEET Play app is going to help take your earbuds to the next level with particular settings and firmware updates that you need to be aware of, and I'm going to look at it right after this. The JEET Air Plus earbuds, which I reviewed in my last video, are a great pair of earbuds if you're looking for quality audio, minimal lag or latency, audio latency, and a pair of earbuds that you can take with you very easily. They have a great carrying case, but all of that is in my review, so check out that video after you're finished watching this. There's an app that I did not mention in that video that goes along with the earbuds that enables the earbuds to perform exceptionally better. And you can find this app on your Apple Store or your Google Play. So download the app, and when you open the app initially, it will ask you to add new earbuds. And the trick to this is you need to have your earbuds inside of your case, and the case needs to be plugged into a charger. So you use the charging cord that came with the case, plug it in, otherwise it's not going to recognize it. So I have mine set up here, and you can give your earbuds a particular name. So I just called mine Matt's earbuds. So I have mine connected. Let's go in. And what this is going to show you on the dashboard is it's going to show you the battery level for each of the earbuds. And here you see the warning, do not open the charging case. You do not want to open it when you are using the app. It is a little bit inconvenient in the fact that you can't be doing this when you've got the earbuds in your ears, but nonetheless. So here's how we can customize each earbud. The left earbud, you have these options here. I really wish that they had a volume control on these, but they don't. But you can do play, pause, the last track, next track, or whatever you're listening to, and then Siri. So I have my left earbud set to work with Siri. You double tap it, and then you can ask Siri to do something. Right earbud, same options, but I have mine set on play and pause. You can change the double tap intensity. With these earbuds, the tapping is not quite as sensitive as I would like. So I put it on the lighter just so that it can pick up a lighter tapping. The Equalizer, this is something that I really like. It was set to default. I was kind of wanting some more bass, so I chose the DBB down at the bottom. You can choose these other options as well if they pertain to your listening needs, but the DBB definitely increased the bass for sure. The firmware upgrade, make sure that you do this, and it does take a while depending on your connection speed, but it took about a half an hour for mine to update. I just set them there, and then I went and did something else while I was updating. Here, the name, I could change the name of it if I want, but I'll leave it as that. And then they have a whole set of instructions here on how to connect, the mobile app, firmware upgrade, key and interface description, pairing your earbuds and phone, startup and shutdown, how to wear, double tap. So if you go in here, and like I mentioned in my review video, you can make phone calls with this, and this shows you exactly how to work with those phone calls, voice control. So it even shows you how to wear the earbuds. This is important because then this will give you the best viewing, listening experience for your earbuds. So this app is packed full with different customizations and information that you'll need for using these JEET Air Plus earbuds. And I hope this has been helpful for you. And this product, I will have the link in the description here if you want to go on Amazon and purchase these. Great product to buy for someone for Christmas. or any time of the year rather, for their listening experience and convenience if you don't want to drop all that money to buy a pair of Apple AirPods. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos here on the Handy Hudsonite and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Don't forget the notification bell so that you can get content as it goes up on my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.